Ever wonder what most rich people do with their money? Many people seem to believe that the big secret to wealth is to just make more money. While this may be partially true, there are other ways you can help improve your financial situation. Making more money won't necessarily help you if you don't change how you think about money. Follow these helpful tips and strategies that most rich people use regularly. 1. Set goals. With a vision, our day-to-day actions take on meaning, and there's a point to the things that we do. Be sure to stay focused on your goals and begin setting aside a portion of your income to reach those goals. 2. Monetize your talents and assets. So, how do you make more money if changing jobs and getting a raise isn't an option? Evaluate your talents and your assets. What can help you make money? You could get a side hustle. There are plenty of options. If you drive around a lot, wrap your car in ads or be a rideshare driver. You can also declutter and sell the stuff you don't really need. Use your skills and imagination. 3. Diversify your income streams. Wealthy people don't depend on one income source. Especially recently, it's been shown that many job positions are precarious in the modern world. If you only have one income stream and are living paycheck to paycheck, then your finances are always at risk. One big lesson of how rich people get and stay wealthy is that you need more than one stream of income, and preferably, some of them are passive streams. 4. Use installment loans for emergencies. Most of us have experienced unexpected financial emergencies at one point or another. Some unforeseen circumstances could include emergency vehicle or home repairs, medical expenses, past due utility bills, unpaid taxes, and more. An installment loan is something you can consider when needing to resolve a financial issue quickly. A signature installment loan is often called an unsecured loan. In other words, you don't need any collateral to qualify. Instead, you give your personal information alongside your signature. And that's it. It's very simple to apply and qualify. You only need the following documents: your driver's license, or a government-issued ID card, proof of income, typically your most recent pay stub, and a checking account statement, the most recent 30-day statement. Thankfully, applying is rather straightforward, and you can finish the signature installment loan process in as little as 30 minutes. If you qualify, you can receive your money on the same day or the following business day. Simply log on to our website and fill out the free online form, or call our toll-free number to get started.